Okay, guys, I'm not going to say what I always say, which is, welcome back to another video of mine. And I just said it. I literally just said it, and I said I wasn't going to say it. But I really have no idea about another opener, so that's my opener for you. But today I'm here to talk to you about a filter set. Now, the filter set that I'm here to talk to you about, and I'm going to look off screen because, again, like you know from now, after watching a lot of videos of mine, that I am completely unscripted and I don't plan on changing my ways I don't plan on changing my ways anytime soon. But this one here is from K&F Concept. Okay, this is the Square Filter Holder System Pro 100. Now I'm looking off screen because I have all the details here because I do not want to get anything wrong. But the K&F filter system is amazing, very highly adaptable, modular system that you can use, as you saw in the beginning of the video, for all your neutral density needs and your polarizer needs. Right off the bat, it comes with this fantastic case right here, as you can see. I don't know if this is going to be blurry because I'd have to block myself out of the way, but it comes with this awesome filter case. It's like a leatherette with a magnetic clip on the front. You open it up, you have this little orange tab which you can pull up, and you can see all your filters right up at the top there, and you have all your attachments in the front. And right off the bat, you have your main ring, which you would use. I doubt that that's gonna, it did focus out. Your main ring, and this is amazing because you basically pick, I'm sure you guys are kind of familiar with this already, but you have your adapter rings, your step-up rings, and this would screw onto the front of your lens like you saw before in the video. This screws onto the front of your lens, and that basically can just sit there, you know, for as long as you're using the camera system. And then all you really need to do is, after this is on your thing, you just attach this to the front. And as you can see off to the back of it here, you have this secure ring that you can use to, let me just put this in here. You have the security ring here. I don't know if, yeah. And you can tighten this. This comes in and out and allows the ring to break loose and snap right in, and you can tighten this up so it will not move any longer. You'll notice that there's another wheel right here, and there's also a clip on the top. So what that does is basically you pull this up, okay? And that's going to allow you access to your I do it every video. I do it every single video. Circle polarizer, and you can stick that right in here, and you'll see that it's holding it right there. And you clip that in, and now that is secured right there. And remember that ring off to the side? If you use that, you can see that the polarization, I might actually put this in the front here. You'll see that you can see how it takes the shine off of things right there. Look at the computer screen. Okay, so it will act as your polarizer, and everybody knows that you need to kind of work your polarizer in one way or another for the you know, desired effect. So what does a polarizer do? Okay, a polarizer can be amazing for taking the glare off of water, taking the glare off of windows and car windows and stuff like that. So if you're videoing or you're filming or taking still images through glass, it could take the glare out that normally you want to kind of avoid if you're trying to take a portrait in a car, or any kind of thing where you want to take that glare off the water and you want to see the color of the water. You want to shoot through the water. A lot of people take pictures of fish or beautiful scenery on the beach or whatnot, and you want to cut through that glare and you really want to get all the vibrant colors. A polarizer could do that, and again, this is amazing because it sticks right on the front. Furthermore, let's just remove this, and this is real easy because you just pull up that clip and you can take the polarizer back out, put it in the beautiful case. Let's just say now you want to access the same holder that you have here, and you want to pull out an ND filter. Now this one here is an ND8, so not really crazy as far as super strong. You'll see these notches in the front of the holder right here, and they are stackable. So you can put one in right here and just line that back up. And now you have a neutral density. This is number 8. This filter set, the one that I'm holding right now that they sent me, full disclosure, they had sent this to me and asked me if I wanted to kind of evaluate it and review. This one here is the ND8. It comes with an ND64. It comes with an ND1000. It comes with 4 filter adapter rings, so step-up rings for each lens that you're going to use. And it comes with the circle polarizer and the actual square filter holder kit, which also accesses the polarizer. But as you can see, it has these beautiful tabs right here, and you can stack these as well to increase the neutral density. So why a neutral density filter? For video work, most of you know that are familiar with video work, you want to get to that 180-degree shutter rule. So if you are shooting, 1/60th on a frame rate, you really want to get your shutter at 1/20th. And that could be hard to do if you're trying to shoot wide open in the daylight. You may need to put sunglasses, so to speak, on the front of your lens in order to achieve that shutter angle. It becomes really, really important when you're shooting like 1/20, like 1/24th of a second or 1/30th of a second, because now you're talking about very, very slow shutter speeds. You can achieve that rule by stepping down your aperture a lot, but let's say you want to get that separation, you want that blurry bokeh in the background. The neutral density filter will allow you to do that. So it's wonderful for that. It's also wonderful for still photography. If again, you were trying to slow that shutter down to like 1/15th of a second in the middle of the day, where you want to get that beautiful shots, that beautiful look on, like, let's just say waterfalls or the ocean, where you want it to look like glass or haze or smoke, and you want to slow down motion. It's hard to slow down motion in the middle of the day when you really can't get to that shutter speed, because it's going to overexpose your image by way too much and it's going to get blown out. So in order to do that, you need to step up to like an ND64, or in this case an ND1000. I mean, the ND1000 is like, it's like pitch black. I mean, is this the ND? That's the ND1000. I mean, yeah, there you go. Look, you can hardly even see the computer screen behind that. It's really, really dark. And, you can see you can see that right there. You can see the coating on the lens too. So what you need to know about these filters, in addition to, how powerful they are, I'm going to actually just view over to my notes over here. Not my script. I don't script, but my notes. K&F Pro Filter System won the IF Design Award and Red Dot Design Award. The filter holder can hold both CPL and ND1000 filters. Okay, the holder thickness is 12 millimeters or 91 millimeters large clear aperture. So you're really not going to run into any vignetting, okay, when you're dealing with this lens system. It's really going to cut down on anything to deal with that. But this is the one thing that I wanted to kind of spotlight on here, is that this is made from import AGC optical glass. Okay, the filter kits are made from Japanese-made optical glass. Both sides are nanometer coatings. Total of 28 layers. Waterproof. I still said that wrong. Waterproof, scratch resistant, and oil proof. Man, I am fumbling my words today. But again, I'm unscripted, so appreciate it. Respect the lack of a script. Respect the non-YouTubiness of what I'm telling you. All I am telling you is that the system is amazing. It achieves what you're looking for. It takes the glare out. It adds to the color of the skies. It adds to that, glare resistant, where you can cut right through the glass. You got the ND filters. You got 3 stages. They're all made of Japanese imported optical glass. It's not plastic. A lot of times what you'll run into lesser made systems is you'll run into cheap glass, or that lack thereof, plastic, and the coatings are or subpar. and it's going to ruin your image. You're going to get color shifts. You're going to get XY banding across your images. Trust me, I know. I've tried them all. The good companies out there, you guys know them. You're not going to get that. Same thing with the K&F. They are really skilled in making their glass, and this system is absolutely fantastic. I've seen systems like this cost a lot more money than this one does. At the time of this video, the one link that I'm looking at right on their website, okay, they have different kits, but the one in that I'm looking at here with the filter, the polarizer, the ND1000, ND8, ND64, 4 filter adapter rings, and the polarizer, like I said, $289, regularly $459, and it looks like they have 36% off. I will put a link below that you can grab onto it there. But again, and you know what's great about this too is that once you set it up and you have everything going the way that you want and you want to achieve that shot, but now let's just say, you know, you're not really looking for that polarization anymore. It's very simple just to pull the ring off, okay? And it's right off the camera. And now you're using your camera normally. And then if you want to use it again, you can simply just add the filter right back onto the ring, snap it on, and now you have the system again. Fully rotating, whatever you want to do. And again, stackable, okay? So ND8, ND64, you know, you can put the ND64 directly in front of that, and now you have 2 filters, okay? So, you know, you can kind of see how they stack up like that, okay? I don't even know if that's in focus. I'm kind of a little bit close here to the camera system. I am shooting with the 20 millimeter 1.9G. But, you know, again, an amazing system, all aluminum, really well made filters, optical glass, coated beyond belief. And like I said, there are different systems that you can buy additional filters if you want. But there are additional kits that you can configure the way that you like. That awesome, you know, clip right here to hold your polarizer and your adjustment right off to the left and right here, which will activate that circle polarizer. Sorry if I was looking over to the right here. I'm usually using a monitor on top. But this has been the first look of the K&F Square Filter Holder System Pro Kit. Again, full disclosure, they sent it to me and I was happy to give it a look. It's been a long time coming. I was a little slow on the video here. I had so many projects going and I had since switched camera systems, so that's what you're getting. Again, there are no cuts in this video. As you can see, you're gonna get all my mess ups. I really don't care because that's my thing. All right, just to come straight out and just tell you the business, tell you how it is. Hope you liked the video. Please check out the other videos on my site, like and subscribe. Check the link below for the K&F filter system. It'll bring you right to the site that you can use and grab one of your own. All right, guys, I will see you on the next one. Thanks again. See ya.